Hey, my name is Megan Schweitzer, and this week we're going to be talking about problem-solving strategies. We were each assigned a problem, and I'm going to show you what my problem was. We're going to go to the next slide. Okay, let's see. My problem reads, at Joe's Cafe, 1 cup of coffee and 3 donuts cost $3.80, and 2 cups of coffee and 2 donuts cost $5.20. Now, I've underlined what we're trying to accomplish here in this problem. What is the cost of 1 donut? Now, when I was in school, word problems used to kind of throw me off because there was a lot of information. I wasn't sure exactly what I was supposed to be looking for, what information I needed, what information was just given to me. So how I like to do is you have to find out first and foremost what the goal is. What are you trying to find out with this problem? So that's why I've underlined it. We need the cost of 1 donut. And then you take it sentence by sentence. So there's a lot of information in there, and it can kind of get tricky on how to start and what you're supposed to do. Well, also with each problem that we were assigned a method to solve that problem. And the one I got was we're going to solve this problem using modeling and drawing. Okay, so let's dive into this. Okay, again, our problem is written at the top of this slide. I'll go over it again. At Joe's Cafe, 1 cup of coffee and 3 donuts cost $3.80. 2 cups of coffee and 2 donuts cost $5.20. Again, we're trying to find out what the cost of 1 donut is. Okay, so you can see that I have a picture. I kind of broke it down into a drawing so that you can see each sentence is kind of grouped together. So here we have 1 cup of coffee and our 3 donuts and our total to the side. Again, down below, 2 cups of coffee with 2 donuts. By the way, I don't know if you're like me, but I love coffee and donuts. So this was kind of a fun little project to do, add in some food into that. Okay, the next slide kind of gives us the breakdown. Now we have the 3 cups of coffee as a total, and we have a total of 5 donuts. But this is where it gets confusing because they're not together in this problem. We have one sentence we're looking for the total, and then we have another total that we're trying to find out how much each donut is. So don't get overwhelmed with too much information. Well, the first thing we notice is that when you subtract the first total from the second total, you get $1.40 difference. And that's very important because that difference is what we're going to use to start to find out what the cost is of each donut. Okay, so we see that the difference in the two totals is $1.40. So this tells us that the coffee is $1.40 more than the donut. So since in this problem we have 2 coffees, see I've listed the steps over here to the side. And I do that so that students can keep track of me and I can kind of keep track of where I'm going. And so if you get behind, then you can look as well as ask questions. So we add $1.40 and $1.40 and $1.40, and we get $2.80 because there's 2 coffee here. We subtract the original total of $5.20 minus $2.80, and we get $2.40. So then whenever we divide it evenly amongst the 4 items in this total, then we get 60 cents. So now we know that the price of each donut is 60 cents a piece. And so I've kind of broken it down so how we can check it. This donut is 60 cents, which we can add right now. And this donut is 60 cents. Okay, so then that leaves us with the question of how much is the coffee, even though that isn't what we're ultimately trying to find in our problem, but it allows us to check our work, which is important to make sure that we got the problem correct. So if our total is $5.20, and we know that we have $1.20 in donuts. That leaves each cup of coffee to be $2 a piece. And when we check over here, you can see that $4, which is 2 and 2, plus $1.20, 60 cents, 60 cents, then we come up with $5.20. So our math is adding up. So far this is the correct way to solve this problem. Okay, but there's another part of the problem. And so we want to make sure this total is correct, compare it with the first one, and if our math adds up, then we've solved the problem. Now remember, we already know that the donut is 60 cents a piece, so we can check it with a second ticket to make sure that our totals are correct. So this bill is $3.80. Remember, it's always a good idea to double check your work if you have time. So the coffee, actually this is a typo, sorry guys, is $2 for one because there's only one cup of coffee. Then the donuts are 60 cents a piece. So 60, 60, and 60, we come up with a total of $1.80. When you add up $1.80 plus $2, what is that? That's $3.80, which is exactly what the bill that we received. So that means that we have solved our problem. And I broke it down just in a diagram, a drawing, so that you could see exactly how we got it. This kind of just summarizes what we've already talked about, and it makes it into a nice, neat little drawing so that you can visualize the cup of coffee is $2, the donut is 60 cents, and then it compares our totals. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. I enjoyed making it for y'all. I hope you're not too hungry like I am. And our last slide is just two mamas ending with a cup of coffee, which I will probably go have one now. Thanks so much.